everyone. My name is Prarthana Patil. I am student of AIB Institute, Assurance in Biology. I am here to share my experience with the teachers and the contribution of AIB Institute in my NEET preparation. Here, Dr. Bhaskar Shinde sir teaches us biology. He is a very good teacher. His teaching techniques are in such a simple manner that every type of student can grasp the topic very easily. He creates the friendly atmosphere before any of the topic, which familiarize us with the topic, that what are we going to see in it, what are actually we are going to study in it. And first of all, he creates the base of the topic, which makes us helps the students to understand the topic smoothly. And as we go on further till the finishing of the chapter, this chapter goes on structurally stored in our memory, and at last we get the clear vision where what actually we have seen in the chapter, and it never gets vanished off. Then there are the I can say very more interesting sessions, the DNRP sessions, that is daily NCERT reading program. In these sessions, sir goes through every line of the NCERT. He explains us the every line and tells us that how the examiner can frame the question through the particular lines. Then he also helps us to study the diagrams, that what actually the diagram has deep-seated meanings and what are those meanings. And some of the topics in NCERT are given in a vague manner, that they are some like incomplete, and we don't understand those paragraphs or those topics. Actually, they have the base behind them, and sir teaches those base, completes them, elaborates the topic, and after that we feel like we have got the entire chapter in our mind. So these DNRP sessions are actually a way to do smart work in biology. These helps us to revise a chapter later on very easily, very fast, and these DNRP sessions are actually we can say quick revision sessions also. And there are many more things sir gives us. His handwritten notes, which he gives us in classrooms, they are very they are written in very simple manner, like any student can read those notes, and the topics or concepts which are given in NCERT not clearly mentioned, and they can be cleared through those notes. Actually, I must say this handwritten notes are more good than any of the reference book, because it connects the thinking of teacher and student. Then he also gives tips, tricks and techniques to learn some difficult things, like many difficult examples are given of plants, animals. He also has also given us the concept of confusers, then descriptions, flow charts, and he actually prepares good mnemonics through which we can keep those factual information for very long time in a very funny manner also. Then that's all. I'm very thankful to Bhaskar Shinde sir. He is a very great motivation for me. He has been a very uh, means a very good inspiration for me. He has changed my scenario towards biology as a biology as a memorizing subject to biology as a conceptual subject. I have improved a lot in my biology subject, and I'm very thankful that he always gives us motivation not to fall down. And I also want to thank AIB Institute faculty members. They are also working very hard for us. As they are working behind screens, we can't see their contribution, their work, but it is there. It is, though it does not contribute to the major factor of our preparation, but it is essential to keep our study routine, to keep our studies on track. So, and they also help us a lot. And here I want to end my words. Thank you, AIB Institute. Thank you, Dr. Bhaskar Shinde sir. And I will always follow your advices. I will also remember your new and thrilling concepts like multiple revision, multiple reading, and take biology as a conceptual subject, and many more things, good things actually. And what we can say is practical things which every student must apply in his studies. Thank you, Dr. Bhaskar Shinde sir, for sharing all your experiences with us, and I'm very thankful to the AIB Institute also, and I promise you that I will never put you down. I will do my best. I will also put my 100% as you all put 100% your work. And till now I had never seen you acting like that is teaching you it's your job. You have always acted like teaching is your hobby, is your passion, is your one part of life, is your love of life. That's why it doesn't show that you have been frustrated teaching us, you have been frustrated solving doubts of us. You have always put your 100%, and it's now our time to give our 100% and to make the short result. Thank you, sir.